What's up everybody and welcome back to another episode of my YouTube channel. My name is Teddy and together let's explore the world one place at a time. Hello friends, how's it going? So we are back at the Iona Beach Regional Park. If you saw my first video here on YouTube, we did the Iona Jetty Trail, but today we are doing the Iona Beach Trail. So this trail is 4.8 kilometers out and back and has an elevation gain of 24 meters. And Iona Beach is actually our go-to place when we want to have like a short and easy hike because it's closer to where we live. It takes like 10 minutes for us to get here. So it's just really close and it's just by the airport, the Vancouver International Airport.
Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Nakita mo lumapit siya sa akin, di ba? Kumano siya. Oh.
Beautiful beach views, and we're just gonna look for a spot and wait for the sunset. Hi love, how did you find the walk today? Kumusta naman?
Ayos lang naman, maganda siya. Nakaka-relax.
Wow.
Easy lang siya. And
Wow.
maganda yung view kasi may beach. And then, marinig mo yung mga huni ng mga ibon.
Ano?
Nakaka-relax talaga sa pandinig.
Ano?
Ano?
Anong tawag dito? Ano tawag doon? Huni?
Huni ng mga ibon.
Ay, nako.
Come on. Have food here. Ito.
There you go, you guys. That's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed our mini adventure.
So please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time.
Bye.